Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery cable to avoid electrical damage. Once done, open the glove box, pull out the lower trim, and remove visible 7mm and T20 screws. Make sure to pop a /C vent clips gently with a trim tool. You want to preserve tabs. As you remove screws and connectors, photograph each location and label them so reassembly is fast. This step sets up a clean workspace and prevents lost parts, so don't skip the documentation and careful clip removal. Now you unbolt the dash cross-member and release center console fasteners with a 10mm socket. These free the dash to move. Next, disconnect HVAC actuators and the radio harness, then follow the manufacturer SRS procedure to unplug airbag connectors. Safety first. Once those are clear, grasp the dash and slide it forward just enough to inspect and unclip hidden wiring harnesses and ground straps. Take your time. Slow, steady pressure prevents broken tabs, and you'll reveal the last fasteners holding the dash in place. Finish by removing the final bolts and lift the dash out with a helper. The assembly is bulky and awkward. As you lift, watch for wires that catch and reroute or detach any remaining harnesses. This prevents damage. If the dash won't budge, stop and inspect. You likely missed a bolt, a hidden clip, or an SRS connector still attached. Make sure the battery stayed disconnected. If a clip breaks, replace it before reinstallation to maintain fit and safety. Don't force the dash free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.